Welcome to All-Rounder Kids. Digital Cyber Learning for Kids. Part 3. Digital and Cyber Learning. Benefits. Builds digital skills, boosts creativity, promotes safety. Fun visual. Kids using a tablet. Educational apps. List: Khan Academy Kids, a Beak Mouse. What kids learn: reading, math, science. Parent tip: set daily time limits and explore together. Cyber Safety Basics. Topics: safe passwords, private photos, talking to strangers. Visual: shield or padlock. Parent tip: use parental control apps. Typing practice games. Examples: Typing Club, NitroType. Why it helps: digital fluency, fun stats/tracking. Encourage healthy posture. Video learning. Platform: YouTube Kids, educational channels. Example: Crash Course Kids, SciShow Kids. Usage tip: watch together and discuss. Digital drawing and creativity. Tools: Tux Paint, Procreate, iPad. Skills: art, storytelling, fine motor. Activity: digital art contest. Online reading tools. Apps: Epic, Google Read Along. Benefits: boosts literacy, audio narration. Tip: record your child reading aloud. Simple coding for kids. Tools: Scratch Junior, Code.org. Learn: logic, creativity, problem solving. Activity: build a mini game. Quizzes and challenges. Apps: Kahoot, Quizzes. Use: review concepts, group play. Tip: create personal quiz. Virtual classrooms and webinars. Platforms: Zoom, Kids Mode, Google Classroom. Skills: speaking, presentation. Prep: introduce webcam etiquette. Digital flashcards. Tools: Quizlet, Anki. Use: languages, math facts. Tip: make your own flashcards with images. Create a digital diary. Use Google Docs, Kid Journals. Benefits: writing skill, memory keeping. Theme days, my favorite coding project. Safe browsers for kids. Examples: KidRex, Kiddle. Importance: safe search and filters. Tip: learn to set bookmarks. Science exploration. National Geographic Kids, Science, Geography, and Exploration. Lego Mindstorms, Robotics Kits for building and programming. Creativity and digital arts. Blender or SketchUp for kids, 3D modeling and animation. Canva or Adobe Express, design projects, posters, and presentations. Stop Motion Studio, create animations using toys and cameras. Safe social learning and collaboration. Google Classroom, Edmodo, collaborative learning environment. Padlet, Miro, brainstorming and digital project boards. Safe social learning and collaboration. Google Classroom or Edmodo, collaborative learning environment. Padlet or Miro, brainstorming and digital project boards. Thank you for watching. Hope you had lots of fun in learning. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.